Okay, now we are going to test the 500-liter mixer. So first of all, we turn on the power. This is the power supply. Screw it, turn it on. And then in here, this button is for the mixing pedal. Then we can control the mixing speed in this converter. And first of all, we turn it on. Then screw this. You can see the number. This is the number of the running speed. And for example, now I turn it to 30 runs per minute. As you see inside of the tank, it's running now. And next, we are going to test the homogenizer. Let me turn it off first. Turn the mixing pedal. Okay, and this one is for the homogenizer. Before you use the homogenizer, let me introduce the valve to you first. In here, this valve is for the outlet. So before you're using the homogenizer, using the circulation system, turn on this valve, and now it is on. And this blue valve is the discharge valve. This valve is the discharge valve without the homogenizer, which means you can use this valve when you are washing the tank and it discharge some non-viscous liquid or some low-viscous liquid. And for this valve, you can use this valve is for the homogenizer. You can use the circulation homogenizer to discharge the material, and the material will come out by this valve. And so now, before we are going to use the circulation homogenizer, make sure these two valves are off. And now I have already turned off these two valves. And you will need to turn on this valve because this valve is to use for the circulation system. And now I have already turned it on. So when the valves are ready, let's turn on the homogenizer. And you can see the water will go back to the tank with the circulation system. Right. And now I'll turn it on. Turn off, yes. And also, there's one thing you need to remember. This is the water cooling box for the homogenizer. When you are using the homogenizer, please make sure the box has water inside. If there is no water inside this box, the homogenizer may be broken. So please remember this. And for the speed, for the temperature, when you are using the heating system, you can see the temperature in here. And okay, that's all.